Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try to raise the car just a little bit. We're at 3. Are we at 3.5 yet? I'm gonna go to 3.5 on both sides and see if we can prevent this knocking noise from happening. I think I have an idea what it is, because if you look here, look how close the freaking, what do you call those things, are to the stupid thingamajiggy. So we'll find out. But yeah, here we go. And I basically did the preload approximately from the spring being actually barely moving, like just snug. I did about, this is probably 5 millimeters. So I did a 5 millimeter on the preload. And the problem we're having is when we go over like bumps and things like this, we get a little dunk noise and it didn't sound too great. So I'm trying to remedy the situation. We have an autocross tomorrow and we gotta get this done. So only the fronts, the backs are doing good. So what I thought I'd do is I'd tighten up the preload and I'm gonna raise it just about 0.5 millimeter, give or take. So I mean 0.5 centimeter, so 5 millimeters basically. Yeah, the metric system, I love it, but I hate it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, we are on the right side of the car, checking the original measurements. We are at just about 3 centimeters. And between seat, what do you call it, perch, I guess perch and perch, whatever these things are called, the ring nut things, about 2. What we're gonna do is go to about 3.5 like we did on the other side, and we're gonna reset the preload to about 5 millimeters, okay? That's the plan, and we're trying to figure out the bar knock, and I wonder if it was in this area right there because of the tie rod being stock and probably a little bit too long, but we're gonna figure that out. Okay, we're on the right side. We matched up the settings. Approximately 3.5 centimeters. And we did about 5 millimeters of preload. And let's see if it fixes the problem. I'm gonna take it for a drive after we button it up here, and I'll let you know.